Good evening, I'm Shameka Neely. A Terre Haute organization that advocates for abused and neglected children within the juvenile system is seeing a large increase in the number of children it is serving, even as statewide numbers remain stable. Terre Haute's court-appointed Special Advocates Director Nikki Furmeister says last year her group added almost 200 children to its program, and it's on pace to double that number this year. Furmeister says she thinks drugs and the economy are two major factors causing the increase. A disease that has been around for decades is making a comeback. Some states have declared pertussis as an epidemic. The number of cases of pertussis, or whooping cough, has been increasing over the last several years to levels not seen in more than half a century. Bloomington pediatrician Scott Moore says vaccination should begin with infants.
Whooping cough is now the only vaccine-preventable illness that is increasing in incidence in the United States.
Whooping cough is spread through things such as sneezing and coughing. Monroe County Public Health Clinic RN Amy Meek says the number of cases has risen in the last 3 years.
In Indiana, we saw over 700 cases in 2010. So that is the most cases we've seen since 1959. So it's definitely been on the rise. This year, there's been around 130 some cases in Indiana, so it's not as high as it was.
The State Department of Health mandates that children have 5 doses of pertussis vaccine before starting kindergarten. The state fair is taking extra precautions after concerns about illness among pigs cropped up for the several fairs across the state. The Monroe County Fair shut down its swine barn Tuesday after concerns about a potential flu outbreak among the animals and some people. State Board and Animal Health spokesperson Denise Derer says it's not just Monroe County that's prompted action by the state fair. Also, state veterinarian Brett Marsh says all pigs coming onto the state fairgrounds this year have to have their temperature taken to establish a baseline. Any pigs with temperatures 105 degrees or higher will be turned away. Marsh says pigs will also be monitored throughout the state fair to ensure the health and safety of the animals and their handlers. Let's take a look at your weather. Tonight, clear, lows in the lower 60s. Tomorrow, partly cloudy, highs in the 100s.